All right, February 5th trade recap. Let's get into this right now, boys. So first of all, in the morning, my bias was a bit wrong. Not really wrong. My bias was if we inverse this 4-hour gap, we're going to keep shitting right here, and which we did, right? So that's enough for the bias. It was really nothing crazy. Now, on open, I gave out these levels right here for the T model. I said, okay, we can see clearly that the market is seeking some upward liquidity, and then it's going to go down on open to these levels right here, which it did. And then we have Pola, Cameron, and then sweep that made money off of that play right here. After this, I was like, okay, well, we swept the pre-market lows right here. It's gonna long, right? I wanted long off the inversion for value gap right here, but unfortunately, once the candle closed, it was right here, and then TP was at that level right there, giving us a negative RR trade, which, you know, this is a no-go. We would have gotten stopped out anyway. Sorry, no, right there, which is a no-go for a trade. Now after this, we did get another setup right here, but again, a lot of buts today. We had news, so we had a perfect setup right here for shorts, which some people did take, by the way. But we had perfect setup for shorts right here. You know, we tapped the 50% line. We had SMTs at the 50% plus the pre-market highs right there, so it was perfect shorts with a perfect entry as well. But we had jolts about 3 minutes later, and jolts be fucking super volatile sometimes. So that's that one was not taken. So at the moment, only the T model was taken by 3. Now going into gold, a bit of an unfortunate one right here. If I go on to the 5-minute right there, you see that we have this order block that's been shown to hold multiple times. Right here, order block, bam, and then tap right here, reverses every time. Now trade right there on the 2-minute right here. We have the 2-minute inversion, the entry right there, and then it goes to BE because we moved the BE a bit lower, but it would have been a BE anyway with the entry right there with the original BE. But yeah, it did end up going to BE, which is unfortunate because this is going to run. You guys know it, 5-minute OB plus 2-minute inversion, OP. So that is pretty much it for the trade recap. If you enjoyed the trade recap, all the links are going to be in the description. We have Inner Circle, we have Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, everything.